Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Lern. Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Lern, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Lern.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is... Suspend objects in a glass. To view our what to get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required.
Do they all land at the bottom?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible? Yeah! The skull dice, paperclip, and screws go all the way down. The Q-tips, toothpicks, and bottle caps stayed on top where the oil was. Okay, Jack, what's the science behind the experiment?
The science behind the experiment.
Whoa!
The fluids in this experiment differ in density. The amount of molecules packed into the same amount of space. This is why they separate into layers. When you drop things into the column of liquids, each object will drop through any liquid that is less dense than the object, but it will stop when it reaches a layer that is more dense.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.